Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can reset your For You page on TikTok. All the information, all the videos, all the accounts that are usually recommended to you when you launch the app, we're going to change this if you keep getting bad content. Let's launch the TikTok app first and click on the lower right corner at your profile icon. Then I want you to go up in the upper right and click on the three straight lines. Then click on the settings and privacy. The next section over here that we're gonna focus is content and display, and I want you to click on content preferences almost at the middle of the screen. Now over here you will have the option second to the last is refresh your For You feed. You click on this one and then you click refresh. Then you click refresh and there you have it. We just had our feed refreshed. Let's click back and go on our feed. Well, guess what? Now we have a completely different type of content. For more tips like this, guys, subscribe and like this video.